Hi there. Today we're going to be shooting the 1851 Navy Revolver. Now this one is a 44 caliber version, and it's made by Pietta. It's a laser engraved model. I don't know if you could see the engraving on camera. Very nice. This is a 44 caliber, as I said, and that's actually never existed in the 19th century. They only existed in 36 caliber, but 44s are a very popular gun nowadays for shooters, black powder shooters like me. So these are very popular. This just is such a classic gun, a Colt Navy. Wild Bill Hickok carried a pair of these in 36 caliber, of course, and in his famous duel, that's what he used. So yeah, half cock. Let the cylinder spin freely. Full cock. And you can load all 6 on these safely because there's a safety notch in between each chamber. I don't know if you could see that. Right between each nipple or on the chamber. Oh, I don't think my camera's picking it up. I don't think my camera's picking it up. No. But there's a safety notch there which I could rest the hammer on, and this just can't move. So you could safely load all 6 of these. Now if I were to carry this around, I would probably just load 5 anyway, just, you know, rest it on a empty chamber just to be safe. But since I'm at the range, I'll load all 6. So what I'm gonna do is put the gun at half cock. I'm using Pyrodex. Sorry about that. I'm using Pyrodex FFFG powder because I can't find any Goex around, so I just had to settle for Pyrodex, and plus I'm making my own powder, and I'll have a video on that soon, but it's it's a little rough, but I'll get it working, and we'll have a video on that. But now I'm going to load it up with Pyrodex. I'm going to use 25 grains. The measure set to 25 grains. You don't want to use more than 28 grains in one of these 44 caliber revolvers because it's stronger than real black powder. Real black powder, like Goex, you could use 35 grains in as a max. But still, a max load won't give you the best accuracy. Anyway, so I'm going to load up the powder measure. Yeah, I know, I should get a flask. I will. But this is working for me, and I'll stick with it for a little while. But it's starting to annoy me a little bit, but I'll get a flask. And so, see that in each chamber? I want to take the powder. I didn't get my balls out of the box, that's what I forgot. You pour it each chamber. Now, it would help if I got the balls out. I'll be back in a second. Okay, sorry about that. I left my round balls in the range box. So, here's a box of balls. They're 451s, but these aren't from Hornady. This is just an old box. I cast my own. Save a lot of money compared to buying them. I have a video on that on the channel. If you have a chance, check it out. And okay, so now I have a cast round ball. And the only downside to cast round balls is that they have a sprue, and you want to have the sprue side up. So you just want put it under the ramrod. Okay, and we're going to seat it, and I'm going to keep doing that till it's full. Okay, we got all 6 chambers loaded up, and I'm going to cap it. This gun likes number 10 caps, and I'm going to be capping it with Remington number 10s. Just stick it on there. Go to the next one. And you'll notice that I don't put my hand in front of the cylinder when I'm putting these on. See, in case any of them should go off. You want to be careful of this. I don't want to. It's probably pretty rare, but I don't want to put too much pressure on the cap when I put it on, just in case it goes off. Split your thumb open, and it want to be a good day for you. Come on. All right. Okay, so I'm going to rest it on the safety notch now. Bring it to full cock. Let it down gently on the cap, and then drop it between chambers. See, hear that click? And it's all safe. The cylinder can't move at all, unless I cock it, of course. So, let's go shoot it. Alright, let's put a few on paper. Well, my pumpkin was rotting on my front step, so I thought I could do something productive with it. Okay, that was pretty cool. I think he's had enough. Okay, so this guy's dirty, so I'm probably going to have a lot of misfires. So, let's try to hit some targets. Okay, just noticed something. I have a... I'm having a cap. Let's see if we can get this. I'm having a cap falling down in the action of the gun. You can see down there. I don't know. But it's falling down. I need to take that out. Alright, move back to 25 yards, see if we can hit anything with the Colt 80. I think I better go two-handed here. Alright. Alright. Oop. Too low.